Okay, well, that's you. But on the other hand, me? Oh, I'm gonna turn up.
Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to take down these crochet faux locs. So I did these faux locs about 3 weeks ago, and it is time for them to come down. It's time for a wash. I'm going to show you how easy it is to take them down. As you can see, a few of my braids are coming out of the locks, so let's get started. So first of all, you do not need scissors. You don't need them. You can take down these faux locs without cutting the locks, which means that you can use these locks again. So let me show you exactly what to do. Okay, so you take the faux loc, you pull your braid through. So now you have the lock in your braid. And then you're just gonna take that loop, loosen it up, and then just slide the faux loc out. Here's the faux loc. I will be able to reinstall these, which is perfect. Super quick, simple, easy way to remove your faux locs. So now that the locks are all out, I'm just going to be going through and taking down my braids in section, and I'll be pre-pooing, so stay tuned to see what I use. So the most important thing about protective styling is to make sure that your hair is completely moisturized underneath. So after 3 weeks of wearing this protective style, as you can see from my hands here, my hair is still moisturized. So my pre-poo of choice today is the Creme of Nature Aloe and Black Castor Oil Anti-Breakage Overnight Treatment. It is for weak, breakage-prone, and damaged hair. It contains no sulfates, no silicones, no petrolatum, and no mineral oil. So the directions say to apply a small amount into the hands and massage through the hair and the scalp. Do not rinse. Wear the treatment overnight. All of my locks are out, and I didn't have to cut any of them, so I will be reusing these. And I have applied the Creme of Nature Aloe and Black Castor Oil Anti-Breakage Overnight Treatment. I applied that all over my hair, so I am going to put a plastic bag on, put a bonnet on, let it sit overnight, and then I'll be ready for wash day. So stay tuned for my wash day after taking out my protective style. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.